from Costa Rica in somewhere. I don't know.
In a farm.
On some kind of farm. So far we've seen humpbacks, humpback whales, snakes, blue morphos, pigeons, blue jays, monkeys, howler monkeys, scarlet macaws, parrots, and now we're here on this farm. Dolphins. We've seen dolphins, sea turtles. Now we're going to show you this amazing thing special about this farm. Down here. Bye-bye.
Look at these. So, you just touch them. They all go to sleep.
Okay, what else, Augie?
So these sleeping plants are from Heel Farm, and then and we found them out, and then and all you have to do is just touch them, and they'll go to sleep.
Great.
And if some rabbit comes by, they'll step on it. They'll try to eat it, and once they touch it, it will fall asleep to scare the rabbits.
Really good. Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
right.